Hi, I'm Dan Shugar, founder and Chief Executive Officer of Nextracker Corporation. Couldn't be more appreciative and thrilled than to be joining the Rystad Energy Conference this year. I'm speaking to you on the other side of the pond, on the coast in Central California, which you can see reflected behind me. It's been a challenging year. In my 34 years in solar, we've never seen disruptions like we've had in logistics and supply chain that we've experienced over the last year, on top of all the issues related to the pandemic. At the same time, I've never been more excited about where we are and where we're going. There's reasons for this. The incredible passion of the people in this industry, from developers, financing, engineering, to manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and long-term service. We're seeing new ideas, new technologies across the value chain that are helping deliver incredibly reliable products and services to the market that at the end are driving down the levelized cost of energy of solar, creating jobs, and helping improve our environment with more clean air and clean water. Let's just take stock on the economics for a moment. Lazard, an investment bank, publishes an incredible levelized cost of energy analysis every year. The most recent report shows solar in the unsubsidized in the $30 to $40 per megawatt hour range. That compares with coal in the $65 to $85 per megawatt hour range. In fact, solar costs are so low, they're lower than the marginal cost of operating fully depreciated coal. This is why in places like the States, virtually no new coal is being built, nor will get built, and the legacy fleet has been reduced in half from over 50% of national energy generation to under 25%. My prediction by the end of this decade, it will be largely gone from the grid. That's really helpful for CO2. Challenge and adversity brings innovation, creativity, and solutions. And we've seen that in the industry. We've seen increased regionalization of manufacturing activity across the world, more employment, more economic activity, and more innovation. These solar power systems are generating more energy per unit of watt installed, and the panels are producing more energy. We've seen many innovations in both thin film and in crystalline. In the crystalline area, we've seen some of the half cell module technology come in, which lowers series resistance losses, increases the power of the solar panel with no additional silicon material. Bifacial now become mainstream, and trackers continuing to gain in popularity, which provide not only lower levelized energy costs, but meet consumer demand over a broader part of the day, from the early morning to late afternoon. In the case of Nextracker, there's a company we founded 8 years ago. We essentially, in the last 8 years, have shipped over 50 gigawatts of solar trackers and products. By way of calibration, that's as much as the peak load experienced in California in the last decade, California being the 5th largest economy in the world. So it shows the power of ideas and what we can do. We really look forward to a great year upcoming as all our industry participants in the solar panel, the DC to AC electronics areas, and our colleagues in the racking industry continue to innovate, invest, and build out. We're seeing solar now not just as a thing in the developing world, but we're seeing a tremendous amount of growth and activity across the Middle East, in Africa, Asia, and other places that previously were secondary markets. Really want to thank Rystad Energy for the opportunity to participate today. I wish you a great conference, and we look forward to coming to face with our colleagues as soon as circumstances allow. Take care.